Let's stop pretending. You feel like you're stuck in one place. You keep saying, I'll start tomorrow. But let's be real. Tomorrow never shows up. If you don't take action now, your life will look the same even after 5 years. Only difference? You'll feel more pain, more regret, and more I wish I had. Staying in your comfort zone feels nice, but it's not helping you grow. It's like standing still while the world moves fast. People around you change, improve, and move forward, but you stay in the same spot, watching them, wishing you were them, and asking, why not me? Nobody is going to come push you. There won't be a perfect time or perfect feeling. If you keep waiting, you'll keep seeing others live the life you dream of. And deep down, you'll know you could have done it too. You already know what needs to be done. You just need to start. Don't wait. Don't let fear stop you. The life you want is not far. It's just past your fear. Take one small step. Start now. Because 5 years from now, you'll look back at this moment. You'll either smile and say, I'm so glad I started, or you'll feel broken and say, I wish I had. So who do you want to be?